Outcome 14 is about supporting workers. So it's looking for systems that the practice has in place to continually evolve and develop team members. Well, useful links for the manager to prepare for this outcome would be the General Dental Council's website and all the different principles and guidance documents that they supply. Really, a range of HR resources could be looked at for this outcome. Well, in order to prepare for this outcome, the practice manager needs to review a collection of HR processes around induction, supervision of staff, appraisal, what sort of training programs the team has already had and what remains outstanding, consideration of verifiable and non-verifiable continuing professional development for each and every member of the team, and in general the practice manager is looking to support the maintenance of the standards required for GDC registration using a system of clinical governance and audit. So getting every member of the team involved in audit and CQC preparation is a very good way to get everybody thinking along the same lines and supporting the staff well. Finally, it's a good idea to actually pull together a team manual so that all the policies and procedures that affect team members are in one central place and they have a handy reference manual, and that just removes any ambiguity that may have existed. Our practice management manual for CQC will help you reorganise your existing quality assurance practice systems in 3 steps. First of all, use the A3 checklist for this outcome from the back of the manual to audit your compliance. This gap analysis helps you to identify actions that will improve outcomes for people who use your services, in other words, your patients. Then use the agenda from the front half of this manual to conduct a training session for your team. It includes an attendance record, and a training pack is available from our website. Finally, show your team the results of your gap analysis for this outcome and discuss who will work on items marked amber, which you've identified that you have but may need updating, and who will action items that are marked red, which you have identified are outstanding pieces of work. Examples might include a business continuity plan. Once you've decided which audits are required to measure, monitor and modify your systems, you're ready to record your agreed action plan at the bottom of the agenda and to set a time frame for completion. For efficiency, I'd suggest you give each team member a manual so that they have a personalised individual training record and an action plan to work from. This way they can concentrate on recording and completing the tasks delegated to them and demonstrate their involvement to a CQC assessor. As a practice manager, your copy will be the master audit plan for the whole practice, as well as your master training record, helping you to ensure the practice meets the outcomes in section 4 of the CQC guidance, which is suitability of staffing.